Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews, as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2015 GMC Sierra Denali HD. This is the 3500, and it is one heck of a truck. Just look at this thing. Beautiful leather interior. Which, let me grab the remote. So this one has the optional rear seat entertainment package. So you can control screen 1, screen 2. And what you can also do is through your headphones that are up front, you can play it through your headphones. Pretty cool. Definitely really nice. Go into media. It's just really cool. When you're all done, shut that off. Put it in. Not like that. I believe like so. Not sure, nobody told me how to put it away. There we go. And it is tucked away. Onyx black over jet black. 6.6 V8 turbo diesel. Made it to the Allison 6-speed. That was almost a $9,000 option. Rear seat entertainment system, $1,500. The black wall tires. Overall, this one's stickered for $66,215. Enough jabbering on. Let's go ahead, take it out on the road. Okay, what was that? You just can't make this stuff up. Try that again. There we go. That was the, see these cracks and stuff like that? That's the material they use. Drove through a construction zone, apparently they weren't settled. feel on the road is unlike any other truck. After driving all of the HD heavy-duty luxury trucks, this is my favorite. The Sierra is the creme de la creme. It's cream of the crop. It is absolutely fantastic. Especially in this Duramax trim. Actually gonna put it into four-wheel drive because you're not gonna get any grip in two. Wow. So this was the first diesel I ever drove, back when I first started filming with Quirk. And this changed my mind. Just how much torque there is, the power that's available, the capabilities. I could not think of the best all-around just tow haul unit. On top of that, this drives a lot better than the competition. The 1500s is a little bit closer, but the Sierra is and was, it was the first luxury pickup. It started the trend, and everybody else is just playing catch up. This is still my favorite and the best one that is on the market. So this one's a 2015 with 17,000 miles on it. That is all. Oh, the brakes are fantastic. Wow. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.